Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Tony. I just wanted to update you guys on the Forex portfolio. Currently, we did hit over $14,000, and today we did make 946, all on the EA that I'm basically testing right now, to see how it's doing. And for the most part, it's doing pretty phenomenal because we took the account from, I think, a little under 12K or 12K to $14,000 in about a week or so, which is absolutely insane. So far, the EA is performing insanely well. It's not available. I mean, for those of you asking, it's not available for anybody yet, and I won't be actually sharing this for at least another couple months, more than likely a year. This isn't coming out for anybody. It's one of those things that I'm just testing for now, and then after a solid couple months of year of results, then I'll be able to like share what it is, right? But as of right now, not really sharing this with anybody, just updating every single day on my YouTube and my TikTok, to let you guys know how it's actually performing and how much money it's actually making, and what pairs are actually, work with it and stuff, right? So it's really just me testing it, looking at the code and seeing what's going on, and kind of just doing like a generic or a general overview of this, right? So far, in about a week, it's made me a little bit over $2,000. Today by itself made me over $946. So we'll keep updating. I'll see you guys later.